working on the Pfaff Creative Icon 2, now in the embroidery side where we've attached the embroidery unit, plus now getting into the where and how all the functions work. So one of the first things we want to do is show you a couple ways to bring a design into the machine. So first off, there are built-in designs that came with this beautiful embroidery machine. So across the side here, if you're looking to find built-in designs, touch the flower. Now, if you touch the flower, you notice how close to the side of the screen it is. If you touch the flower with half your finger on the border here and half of it on the flower, you notice nothing selects. So just make sure you kind of move your finger over and that will actually give you the selection. Across the top, you see different groupings, kind of like we did when we were in the sewing side of the machine. So starting off with some of the signature designs, there are so many to pick from, and truly they look 10 times better stitched out than they do just on the screen. You've got Pfaff exclusive stitches, you've got flowers and leaves, so you have lots of ways to be creative. I hope you'll just kind of pick one and start stitching. As you slide across, you'll find other categories with other designs from holiday to kitchen, to the little minis. We'll use those with some of the cool other features that are in here, like Shape Creator. I love to use the mini designs with those. As you go and select a design and you touch and hold it, that is one way to bring it in. To take a design off screen, you can touch and hold, and then this little pop-up comes up, and you can do lots of things. Actually, you could duplicate it, you can mirror it. I'm going to start by deleting it. Let me go back to the built-in designs. In the holiday section, you can also double tap, and that's kind of new for me. That hasn't always been an option. So double tapping will also bring it in. Once it's in, it is selected when there's a box around it. So with one quick tap, if it's not, or off to the side to deselect it. My hands are a little cold too today, so we're in the middle of winter. So if that is an option for you, where your hands do get a little chilly, warm them up, and that will help your screen activate a little bit quicker. You could also look for like one of those stylists with the rubbered tip, sometimes on the end of pens, that you can gently touch the screen with, and that will help. Especially if you have a bit of a trimmer or you're not confident and you're kind of touching and things are moving while you're touching, that will also help with that issue. And so here's how we're going to do it. That's one way to pick designs out. Another way to pick designs, say off a USB stick, is to go to the folder down here. I do have a USB stick in, so that would be where I could touch at the top, and those designs would come up available for me to go into those files. If I am connected to the mySonet and myCloud, which we do go into in much more detail in our Pfaff Bootcamp online course, you'll find links below in the description where you can check out that course, because we go and explore for 6 hours of topics of all the free stuff that came with the Wi-Fi compatible features, the cloud, the mySonet, and all the cool things that we can do with that. But that's actually where sometimes when you are saving designs or putting multiple designs together and you're saving them, you're going to save them right on the machine in the mySonet area. So I do have quite a few things that I keep close by, and I can go into these folders and find designs that I have been working with. Let me just touch and hold. And again, if I want to select a design, I can just double tap quickly and that design will come right in on top of what I already have. So if that wasn't what I wanted, I can make sure it's selected, touch and hold, let this come up and touch delete, and that will remove it there. Now, if you are connected to the mySonet through your Wi-Fi connection, you will also have access through to the mySonet library. So this is, well, currently it's got about 8,000 designs in it, and you can search for the designs. I'm currently working on something with the whole cloth quilt, and so if I just touch whole and type that in and touch search, up will come the designs that I'm currently working on. So it's like an entire library that is available at my fingertips. So I'm going to actually delete out the bells here, and then you can see it's a quilting pattern that I'm working on. This actually stitches out as a 20 block quilting quilt, and I can do it on any type of fabric. I could do it on something I've pieced. You could do it as a whole cloth quilt, so it's super fun. So that's what the flower with the little globe is, and that is the mySonet library that you can search for designs by all sorts of different ways, categories, sizes, by name, and even all the ones that are your favorites. So I have actually a couple of favorite designs in there as well. All right, so just so you know how to find designs, if you're looking for alphabets, you'll touch the A, and you've got all your alphabets here as well. And you also have your sewn alphabets that you can bring into the embroidery side and embroider them. Plus, you have the ability to create your own fonts through the free program that comes with the mySonet called Quick Font. So you can take any font from your computer, turn it into embroiderable fonts, and then add to the library of what is built in that some people go, oh, where's the rest of it? Well, that's actually how you get free fonts of any size, any style, any kind you can think of from the internet as embroiderable alphabets. And that is, we even have done a online course called Quick Fonts that you'll also find links below if you're interested. Check it out and see how you can create hundreds of thousands of fonts for your embroidery machine. Okay, so once you have things here, again, if you want to touch and hold, you can delete them if you're done embroidering them or you've chosen to do something different. You can come back and start again with the flower, the folder, or the mySonet library, the flower with the world by it, or the alphabets. Oh, and by the way, you can bring in decorative stitches as well, but we'll save that for another video. Lots of ways to find designs. I want you to start stitching out some of the built-in designs so you can get familiar with how cool all the designs you already have at your fingertips actually are to stitch.